Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be making my Millionaire shortbread, which is super easy, vegan and no bake, no fuss. So delicious. I look forward to making it with you. So guys, what first thing you want to do is line a 10 by 10 inch pan with some baking paper or parchment paper, and this will just stop our slice from sticking and also make it super easy to get out of the tin. So I'm just going to put that aside, and we're going to get a medium mixing bowl and throw our base together. So we have some almond meal, coconut flour. That was not coconut flour, that was vanilla protein powder. This is our coconut flour. We have a pinch of salt. Let's give that a quick mix through. That's our dry ingredients. And then we're gonna put our wet, which is just 2 ingredients. We've got some maple syrup, some beautiful organic maple syrup, and some cashew butter. Now, I have made my own cashew butter. If you've never made cashew butter, you are in luck, because we have a video that you can get the link to and come back and make it when you're ready. You can buy it from you can have the store-bought version, but keep in mind that you want to get something that's salt and sugar free. And now let's give that a good stir. Now I've just put a glove on because it's probably easier to do this by hand, to be honest, because it's very kind of biscuity base, which makes a lot of sense. It is a shortbread after all, just a no-cook shortbread, which is pretty amazing. All right, so we finished mixing it, and you can see the texture. It's sort of crumbly and biscuity, but if you squeeze it together, you can see it forms a good dough, which is great, because now we're going to press it into our pan, and it will be our shortbread. And as I said, this is a no bake, which is fantastic. No oven required. I know it seems really weird, and you think, how can you have a biscuit that's no bake? Trust me, when you eat it, you would just be really shocked that it's not a cooked biscuit. All right, now give that a good press down so that it's very even. Okay, and that is done. Now, might take you a little while because it is a crumbly base. Don't rush it, but we've got our base now, a biscuit base, all leveled out, which is really important. Now, so let's make our caramel. Again, you will not believe this is a no-cook caramel, and you'll be surprised at the ingredients. Smooth peanut butter, yep, amazing. Maple syrup, again, quantities down below, don't forget. Finally, coconut oil. Now this is at room temperature, but still melted. Tiny pinch of salt, and let's give that a good stir. Now I'm going to start with my spatula just to get it moving, and then I'm going to go to the whisk, which is going to make it silky smooth. A good caramel should be really smooth and velvety to the taste buds, and so it's really important to, when you're whisking it, take your time and get that really silky texture. There we go, look at that, lovely and smooth, beautiful. Now we're just going to pour that on top of our base that we've already made. Pour it all in, and what we're going to do now is put it, because we've got that coconut oil in there, when it's cooled, it's going to set a bit more fudgy. So let's put that in the fridge and let it set for a good hour before we do our chocolate topping. We've had our slice in the fridge now for a bit over an hour, and as you can see, it's nice and set. So you want that caramel layer to be quite set so that your chocolate layer doesn't sink into it. So our chocolate layer is very simply 2 ingredients. We've got our vegan choc buds and we have some coconut oil. And the coconut oil will stop the chocolate as it resets from getting really, really hard. It's going to stay silky and very edible and easy to eat with a slice. First thing we're going to do is melt our chocolate, and I really like to melt it in the microwave. It's super easy. You've just got to do it on a medium heat and on short bursts. You're more than welcome to do it over the stove top in a bain-marie, but you know, this is just so much easier. If you've never microwaved chocolate before, you always stop them before they're fully melted and then just stir them, and then the heat of the sections which are already melted finish the job off for you. So otherwise there's a risk of having these burnt spots in it, which you want to avoid. But that is perfectly melted and smooth. And now I'm going to add my coconut oil. And very gently and slowly mix them together. Don't rush this process, guys. You don't want streaks of coconut oil in your topping. You want to make sure it's really well incorporated so that you have this really lovely silky chocolate. Very gently pour it all on. Yum. And that is our chocolate topping. Ooh. Throw that back in the fridge and we're going to wait until it's set. Oh, this slice looks so good. It's beautifully set. Now we're going to take it out. You can see how important it is to have the right paper lining it. And now we're going to carefully peel away that baking paper to reveal that glorious Millionaire shortbread slice. Ooh, fab. Let's cut that and have a look at inside. And as I'm cutting it, I can feel that the chocolate's set, but I can also feel that it's got a little bit more setting to do. But it's good enough to slice. Wow, look at that, guys. Those beautiful layers, the shortbread, the creamy caramel, and that really luscious silky chocolate on top. That is why it's called Millionaire shortbread. Yummo. And there you have our recipe for our Millionaire shortbread. It is gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, no bake, super delish, full of caramelly chocolatey goodness. Hope you've enjoyed that recipe. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave us a message, hit the like if you have, and subscribe and hit the bell, and you will get all our future videos straight to your emails. Take care. See ya. And there you have our Today we're bringing you chocolate. Hey everybody, we are bringing you today Hey everybody, today we are bringing you my... Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're... coconut flour. That wasn't coconut flour. No. Go.